In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your PayPal to a Wix website so you are able to accept payments. So once we are on the main page of Wix, we want to scroll down until we see the option for settings from the left-hand side. Now right here, we want to focus on accept payments. So just click on it, the third option. So right here, we will be able to see PayPal. So it allows us to accept PayPal payments. We basically want to click on connect. It will give us a step-by-step tutorial on how we can do this. Also, you can see the fees right here. So 2.9% flat plus 30 cents per transaction, which isn't the cheapest option, to be honest. But if you want to connect it, all you got to do is write your account information here. So we have to enter the email address. So I'm going to write my PayPal email address and then click on connect. So this will refer us to the PayPal website. So we have to click on next right here. It will ask us to log in with our account, but if we actually go back, it will tell us that our PayPal has been connected. And if we want to accept payments, we have to upgrade to premium. So basically you just have to write your PayPal email address and then it is as good as connected. So you don't really have to log in there and do the rest. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.